So here's my sorting algorithm assignment. So the first test case is the empty file, and since it's empty, there's nothing to sort in the file. The second test case happens in the trivial file, which there's only one word. Then we go to the languages file, and here we see the sorted list of programming languages. Next, we have the states, and here we have the sorted list of states, and then finally we have the cities. And here's the list of the sorted list of cities from the photo.